Whenever you see these words, you should remember them. The first word we want to look at is the. The. Very good. This word says the. Your turn, children. Let's say the. Very good. Now let's go ahead and read the story on the board. Remember, this word is the. The egg. Egg. The egg is in a tin. Very good, kids. Let's read it together again. The egg is in a tin. Very good. Next, the big pig is fat. Very good, children. Now it's your turn to read, children. Very good. The pin is in the bin. Very good. Your turn to read, children. Very good, children. You read those words very well. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now, kids.